How to Talk to Anyone. 92 Little Tricks for Big Success in Relationships by Leil Lowndes is a highly practical self-help book on communication and social skills. Published in 2003 with roots in her earlier work, it offers 92 specific, actionable techniques, often given catchy names, to help readers make stronger first impressions, build rapport, navigate conversations, and come across as confident, likable, and influential in personal, romantic, and professional settings. Leil Lowndes, a communications consultant, draws from her experiences in fields like acting, public speaking, coaching executives, and observing high-status individuals. The core message is that success in relationships isn't about innate charisma, it's about learnable behaviors, body language, word choices, and subtle psychological cues that make others feel valued, understood, and drawn to you. The book is structured into 9 main parts, each grouping related techniques. Below is a detailed summary of the key ideas, grouped by section, highlighting many of the most impactful tricks, aiming for comprehensive coverage while explaining their purpose and application. Part 1. How to Intrigue Everyone Without Saying a Word. Nonverbal First Impressions. Lowndes stresses that people form 80–90% of their impression in the first few seconds, before you speak. Focus on visual impact to appear warm and confident. The flooding smile. Don't flash an instant grin upon eye contact. Pause briefly, then let a big, warm smile flood your face when you recognize someone. It feels more genuine and personal, signaling, "I'm genuinely happy to see you." Sticky eyes. When talking or listening, keep your eyes glued to theirs like warm taffy. Don't dart away even when they look elsewhere. This conveys intense interest and makes you memorable. Epoxy eyes. For romantic interest. After initial eye contact, let your gaze linger softly on them even as they look away, then slowly pull back. It creates subtle attraction. Big baby pivot. Turn your full body toward someone when greeting them, like how we instinctively face babies. It shows full attention and openness. Other tips include rubberneck the room, scan confidently upon entering, and using open posture to avoid seeming closed off. These nonverbal cues make you seem approachable and high value without effort. Part 2. How to Know What to Say After You Say Hi. Starting and Mastering Small Talk. Small talk isn't trivial, it's about easing tension and finding common ground. Wear a "what's up" face. Enter rooms with a curious, expectant expression to invite others to approach you. Hello old friend. Act as if you've met before. Warm tone, familiar nod to make strangers relax instantly. Limit your damage, avoid over-talking, let others speak more. Techniques for smooth intros. Use tracking, repeat their name, echo their last words to encourage more sharing, and transition from small talk to deeper topics by asking, "How did you?" questions. Part 3. How to Talk Like a VIP or Celebrity. Posture, voice, movement. Act as if you're important, people treat you accordingly. Watch the big cat. Move slowly and deliberately like a panther to exude confidence. Lend a helping tongue. Speak slower and lower for authority. Avoid uptalk, ending sentences like questions. The swiveling spotlight. When in a group, turn your body to include everyone, making each feel spotlighted. Part 4. How to Sound Like an Insider in Any Crowd. Blend into any social or professional group quickly. Be a word detective. Listen for jargon or repeated phrases and mirror them subtly to seem in the know. Scramble therapy. Prepare a mental list of current events, trends, or compliments to have conversation ammo. Carrier pigeon kudos. Pass on compliments. Indirectly, e.g., "I heard from X that you're great at Y," for credibility. Part 5. How to Establish Deep Subliminal Rapport. Create unconscious bonds. Be a copy class. Subtly match their body language, tone, and pace. Mirroring to build subconscious trust. Echoing. Repeat key phrases they use in your responses. Prosaic with passion. Show enthusiasm for their interests, even mundane ones. Part 6. How to Feed People's Ego and Know When Not to. Everyone loves feeling important, feed it strategically. The Tombstone Game. Imagine their gravestone, what would you want it to say? Compliment traits tied to that legacy. Accidental admirer. Give praise indirectly or, accidentally, overhear a compliment. Grapevine glory. Spread positive gossip about them. Avoid over-flattery. Know when to withhold to maintain power. Part 7. How to Make 'em Feel You Two Click. Similarity and Comfort. People like those similar to them. Be a word bouncer, bounce back their words, phrases. Encore, ask them to retell a story they enjoyed sharing. Bear their hot button, find and press their passion topic. Part 8, how to make them feel they're the most fascinating person in the world. Active listening amplified. The exclusive smile, smile only at them in a group. Come hither hands, use open, inviting gestures. Tracking, refer back to earlier details they shared. Part 9, how to use phone, email, etc. as a powerful tool plus advanced techniques. Extend skills to non-face-to-face. Phone techniques, use voice shadowing, match energy, leave intriguing voicemails. The great scorecard in the sky, keep mental notes on what makes them tick for future interactions. Overall key themes and takeaways. The book's power lies in its specificity, each trick fills the how gap that many communication books leave open. Lowndes emphasizes genuine interest as the foundation. People respond when they feel liked and valued. Many techniques draw from psychology, e.g., mirroring for rapport, scarcity for compliments, and observation of charismatic people. Critics note some tips feel manipulative if overused, but applied with sincerity, they build authentic connections. The book excels for networking, dating, sales, or overcoming social anxiety. In essence, Lowndes teaches that small, deliberate behaviors create big relational wins. Practice a few at a time. Start with body language and listening, and you'll notice people responding more positively. It's not about changing who you are, but enhancing how you connect.